Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with another video. And I just had some quick thoughts that I wanted to share. So I was actually rambling a bit on TikTok earlier today and it inspired this video that I'm making for you right now. And I was talking about how, as you know, about a year ago, a little over a year ago at this point, I cut a foot of length off of my locks. And over the past year of not having that foot of hair, I felt lighter, not only physically but mentally and emotionally. And a part of me feels like it's because I let go of that energy that was tied to my hair. Now, I was always like a firm believer in you don't have to cut your hair to get rid of energy. Do spiritual cleanses, and I have a couple videos on ways you can spiritually cleanse your hair. It's really all about intention at the end of the day. And I do want to shout out Natural85. She posted a video recently where she did somewhat of a spiritual cleanse on her hair. I'm not sure if she referred to it as that, but that's how I identify it. When I watched the video, that's what that was to me. She doesn't have locks, but she has loose natural hair. If you don't know who that is, I don't know where you've been. She's one of the OGs in the natural hair community on YouTube. I actually met her back in the day at one of those BeautyCon events. But anyway, so I'm not saying this as if I no longer believe that you don't have to cut your hair, because I still believe that you don't have to cut your hair to get rid of energy. But I do feel like it is undeniable the way that you do absolutely feel energetically lighter when you do cut your hair. So I do want to ask those of you who have had locks for a really, really long time, what do you do when it comes to getting rid of old energy, stagnant energy, stale energy, negative energy? What do you do to get rid of that? Do you cut your hair? Do you cut them or trim? Do you cut off inches? Or do you do different types of cleansing, energetic cleansing? Do you use sage? Do you use Palo Santo? Do you use bentonite clay? Do you just wash your hair and just visualize the stuck stank energy washing down a drain? What do you do? I'd like to know. I'm tired. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your comments below and chime in on the subject. Love, light, and locks.